Hello friends, welcome to day 8 of 21 days English challenge. Today's topic is very useful, how to speak English while shopping. We all go to the market but many of us feel shy or nervous when speaking English there. Don't worry, today I will show you easy sentences that you can actually use in real life. And remember, every small step you take brings you closer to big success. Some real life situations are here, like entering the shop. You can say like, "Excuse me, do you have fresh fruit?" Shopkeeper, "Yes, please come in." You, "Can I see the apples?" Situation like asking about price. "How much is this per kilo?" Shopkeeper, "It's 120 rupees per kilo." You, "That's a little expensive. Can you give me some discount?" Situation buying items like please give me half a kilo of apples and 1 kilo of banana. Shopkeeper, "Sure. Anything else?" You, "No, that's all for today. Thank you." Situation like at the billing counter. You can say like, "Can I pay by cash or UPI?" Shopkeeper, "Yes, of course." Some more polite sentences for you. "Excuse me, do you have water? Do you have pencil? Do you have apples? Do you have bananas?" You can add anything. "Can I see this? How much is this? Can you give me a discount? Please give me. Thank you so much." These are polite sentences. Try to use in your daily life. Have you ever realized learning English just like a shopping? At first, you may feel confused. You may not know where to start, but step by step you learn and grow. Never think, "I can't do this." Always say, "I am learning every day and I am improving every day." Confidence is not something you are born with. It's something you build by practice. So keep practicing, keep speaking. Even small sentences matter. And trust me, one day you will look back and say, "Yes, I did." So this was day 8 of our 21 days English challenge. Keep going because every day you are becoming better than yesterday. Tomorrow is day 9. I will bring another exciting real life English topic just for you. Don't give up. You are stronger than you think. So now you can do shopping without any hesitation and without worrying about English. You are able to speak in English confidently in the market. So go shopping, use these sentences and enjoy your life. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.